Hello everyone and welcome to Logios Online Beginner's Basic Russian course. Lesson 2, Part 1. If you want to learn Russian, don't forget to sign up on our website to have access to more learning materials. Привет, меня зовут Лена. In the previous lesson, we learned 6 Russian letters. They look and sound very much like English letters. These are the vowels A and O, and the consonants K, M, T, and S. And in today's lesson, we're going to learn 8 new letters that sound like English letters, but are written differently. And to finish this lesson, we will learn more about the pronunciation of the letter O. This is the letter Y. Y, like in the English word yes. Y. Text, a text. Text. This letter, which looks completely unfamiliar to you, is pronounced like the English B. B. Box. Box means boxing. So don't forget to exaggerate the lips rounding when pronouncing the letter O in Russian. Box. Let's move on to the next letter. It's pronounced like the English D. D. Da. You probably already know this word. Da means yes. Da. Data, a date. Data. So don't read A like in English, because you know that in Russian, the letter A is pronounced like in the words car or father, for example. A. Besides, the first A is stressed. Therefore, you have to stretch its pronunciation, say it louder and more clearly than the other A. Data. Data. This letter is a vowel I. Like in the words taxi, a taxi. Taxi. Система, a system. Система. This letter is similar to the English Z. It's pronounced Z. Dozа, a dose. Dozа. So don't forget to pronounce the stressed vowel properly. The letter O is stressed, so you have to pronounce it louder and stretch its pronunciation. Dozа. Mimosa. Mimosa. This is the letter L in Russian. Allo. Hello. Allo. Here, the sound L is quite similar to the light L in English, as in the words light or lucky, for example. Allo. Климат, the climate. Климат. This letter, which is written like in English H, is pronounced N in Russian. Нет. You probably already know this word too. Нет means no. Нет. Нота, a note. Нота. So once again, don't forget to pronounce the stressed vowel properly. Make it twice as long and say it louder. Нота. And our last letter for today is this one. It's written like an English P, but in Russian it's pronounced R. R. So you have to roll the letter R in Russian. R. R, like in the words bar, a bar, bar, or роза, a rose, роза. And now it's your turn. Try to read the following cognate words. Rock, rock, rock. Class, a class or a classroom. Class. Сестра, sister, сестра. Anna, Anna, Anna. Bank, a bank, bank. Banana, a banana, banan. Ballet, ballet, ballet. Balkon, balcony, balkon. Limon, a lemon, limon. Drama, drama, drama. And now let's take a look at these two words. Robot, a robot, robot. And doctor, a doctor, doctor. So as you can see, the stressed O's in these two words are pronounced O, whereas the other ones, which are not stressed and follow the stressed vowel, are pronounced like short A's. Robot, doctor. There is nothing new here, you already know this rule. And now we're going to learn a new one with the words contract, a contract, contract, and orchestra, orchestra, orchestra. In these two words, the letter O is not stressed. And this time, it comes before the stressed vowel, not after. So in that case, if the letter O is not stressed and comes before the stressed vowel, it will be pronounced A. Contract, orchestra. Let's see another example. Omelette, an omelette, omelette. The letter O is not stressed and it comes before the stressed vowel. Therefore, it's pronounced A. Omelette. And so that's all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn Russian, check out our website, logios.online. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Пока-пока!